Hello, my name is Emily and my 3 years of trading experience have allowed me to achieve a win rate of 88.5%. In this video I will share my latest results and show you the strategy that helped me achieve such success. Don't miss the opportunity to learn how I achieve great results. Hello friends, Emily with you. I'm tired of messages and comments that it's impossible to make big money on trading in a short time. In my Telegram channel, I provide the opposite. I share proven strategies and real reviews from my subscribers who have already achieved success in trading. Everything is simple. The main thing is to start and you can get a significant profit. Follow the link and get a lot of useful information. Friends, I want to remind you that in my previous videos you will find other cool and working strategies for making money on trading. Have you heard about the Stochastic Oscillator and Bollinger bands? These indicators have become the key to my success in trading and allow me to constantly earn large sums. Today I will show you how they work. This tool helps determine the trend, support and resistance level as well as possible corrections, which allow you to open trades with maximum accuracy. It's simple. If the lines intersect and show an upward trend, this is a signal for an increase, but if they indicate a decline, it's a signal for decrease. To make it easier for you to understand, I will demonstrate this with a specific example. For the strategy to work for you, you need to set the same settings as I have. First, we set the chart type to hiking Asher time frame to 30 minutes. Then we turn on the indicators, Bollinger Bands and Stochastic Oscillator. The settings of this indicator you can see on the screen. We set the Australian dollar and Swiss franc currency pair. The transaction time is 1 minute. Now let's move on to transactions. As I mentioned, I will start with the amount of $90. This is where we will get a big profit. We look at the chart and analyze the situation. We see a downward trend. There are no adjustments as the indicator lines intersect and move down. This is our signal for a decrease. We open a deal and wait. Here is the first deal finally completed. Our balance now is $172. We smoothly move on the second deal. It will be for the $150. Now let's try to analyze the situation on the chart. We see small adjustments and a continuation of a downward trend. We also see the intersection of the indicator lines in the decline. So we open a deal for a decrease and wait for the profit. Friends, if you are looking for a reliable platform for trading, I recommend paying attention to Pocket Option. Here I found fast withdrawals, transparent transactions, and excellent profits. I completely trust this platform and I'm confident in its reliability. Also subscribe to my Telegram channel to receive bonuses and relevant tips for successful trading. The deal is closed, which means the balance has been added as $310. Let's not stop and move on. We start our final deal on this strategy. We see a reversal downward trend on the chart, weak adjustments, and the lines are moving towards a decline. Without thinking twice, I open a deal to decrease by $300. And all deals were successfully closed and my balance is already $586. This is an excellent result. In just a couple of minutes, I was able to make money and you can do it too. Just like and follow my new strategies. Be sure to watch my next videos where I will share my new and more profitable strategies for trading. Friends, if you want to earn money on trading like me, you just need to go to my private Telegram channel. That's where I will teach you how to trade correctly. I will share strategies and answer your questions.